So whenever you open your trading app, you may see something called the derivatives market or the futures market. And when you dive deeper into this feature, you realize that it's a little bit more complex than your normal spot trading account. And when you look up online information with regards to how to trade the futures market, information is very hard to come by. Well, until now, welcome to the ultimate guide on how to trade the futures market. This is a completely free training where I take you step by step on how to trade the futures market. This class here is class number 1, basically just an introduction to the course with regards to what to expect next. Speaking of what to expect in the course, let's dive deeper and see all the classes and all their descriptions. So this right here is the breakdown of all the classes that are coming up within this course. So again, this is just an introduction to the course. Then we'll have a look at an introduction to the futures market. Basically, within this class, we're going to be having a clear understanding of what are the futures market and obviously how to trade them. Then we'll have a indicator class. In this class here, we'll discuss the best trading indicators that beginners can use in order for them to start making informed decisions. I have tested about 75 indicators and I'm going to be sharing the best indicators with you within this class. And after that, we'll have a class on an introduction to candlesticks and candlestick patterns. Now, some of this information will be good to you, some will not necessarily be good, simply because when it comes to candlestick patterns, some of them actually work, some do not. But in this chapter here, or in this class, I want to focus on an introduction to candlesticks, the basics of candlesticks, meaning the opening and the closing of candles, and some candlestick patterns that actually I found them to be working. After that, we'll dive into TradingView. TradingView is what I used for me to actually analyze the market and do my analysis there. So that's what we're going to be doing. And plus on TradingView, I already made a video on this. You can actually demo trade inside TradingView. This is going to be essential for those of you who are just getting started, because remember, when you're learning how to trade, the most important thing is for you to be comfortable and to actually know exactly what you're doing. After that, we'll then have a look at the best trading time frame. These are the time frames that you should be using every time you're actually trading. Then we'll have a look at the best exchanges for you to actually trade the futures market. Then after that, we'll actually have a look at how to trade the futures market. Now, this is the class where I'm going to be trading live with you. I'm going to be taking live trades and giving you my thoughts and why I'm taking those trades. After that, in fact, this is going to be a class that's going to be coming up earlier. I think in the next 2 classes that are coming up next, how to calculate leverage. Because remember, when you're actually trading on the derivatives market, you're actually trading on leverage. So it's very imperative for you to know how to calculate leverage and what leverage size you should be using as a beginner. Then we'll have a look at how to short Bitcoin and also how to go long on Bitcoin. Very important class is also money and risk management, because this can make or break your trading experience. It's very imperative for you to understand how to manage your risk. And speaking of managing your risk, we're going to be using also a trailing stop loss within our trades. And I'm going to cover a topic that most people are asking right now. And if you actually do a Google search or YouTube search, you'll realize that more than 15 million people are asking this question: how much money do you need in order for you to start trading cryptocurrencies? Now, in this course, I'm going to be depositing $35 and actually turning this $35 to $250 live trading with you, and potentially move that to over $500. Maybe that alone can answer your question with regards to how much money do you need in order for you to start trading cryptocurrencies. Now, I always tell people that it's not about the money that you have, it's all about the information on the knowledge that you have on a commodity that you're trading, and the experience and how comfortable you are trading that market. Then we'll have a look at how to trade the derivatives market on a decentralized trading platform. Remember, when it comes to the best trading exchanges over here, we're talking about centralized trading exchanges, but when it comes to this one here, we're talking about decentralized trading exchanges. So we're going to be looking at that. And this is going to be one of the most important classes, the ultimate guide into chart patterns. And this will take you from a beginner to pro in understanding how to predict what's going to happen next on the market. So yeah, basically that's what's coming up on the course. This course will be focusing on cryptocurrencies. However, most of the stuff learned here can be applied in stock trading, you know, forex and other commodities as well. And seeing that we're actually giving all this information for free, I really appreciate it if you can smash the like button, and if you don't mind, you know, smash that subscribe button as well, turn on all post notifications, because I've got great content coming up in the next coming weeks, months and years that can, you know, help you become a very, very good trader. So basically I want to filter out all the noise that is out there on the internet with regards to how to trade, and just break it down for you, you know, on the simplest terms, and you know, in a way that is easy for you to understand. If you really are pumped just like how I am, make sure that you click the video showing up next, where you can go in depth with understanding what are the futures market. That will be class number 2. Go ahead and click on that video. I'll see you there. Goodbye. Peace.